morning, mga sweet grandma. Today I will make my version of the dinding using live tilapia, but it was already in the store. It's live, still twitching. I have here kangkong, saluyot, ampalaya, okra, kalabasa, brown talong, ginger, onion, and tomato. And of course, nakamayang bagoong balayan. Nakamayan bagoong balayan. I hope this tastes good. There we go. Let it boil. Make it almost. Starting to boil now with the tomato, onion, and the ginger for our dinding sabaw. So again, we're frying the tilapia. This was a live tilapia when I bought it. It's so fresh. So again, this is our dinding sauce. Now I will put the veggies once it's boiled. Now it's boiling. The tomato, the onion, and the ginger with the kamayan balayan bagoong. And now I will put the ampalaya and the talong. Ampalaya and talong. The ampalaya and the talong. Let it simmer for a while. Then I will put the kalabasa, the squash,